Hello, gurus, and welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm still in Amsterdam, and we're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and predict what's going to happen. I do think Amsterdam is very beautiful. I do think we're being a little bit on Bitcoin. I think we're coming up to a major resistance, and we have to decide what we're going to do. With the stock market, that was a good sign yesterday when we had a big gap up. After we had that big gap up, I quickly jumped into a lot of stocks and made huge gains yesterday, which is beautiful. I do think the bottom could be in, especially for NEO, some other stocks. We're going to jump into that as well. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button, and at the end of the video, I'm going to choose the winner of 300 USD from the 600 plus people that commented on the tweet that I've been talking about to get Magicraft Twitter reactivated. Hopefully, we should be hearing from Twitter today. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals for Bitcoin, and I'm a little bit worried with the formation that's happening here. We had a big bounce yesterday. I closed my short in the profits just before we had a big move from Bitcoin. On the weekly, we're looking amazing. So on the weekly, this means each of these candles are 1 week in crypto, in Bitcoin. This is the overall trend for 2 years. The trend is going up. This is the volume, how much buying and selling has been happening. Look at these spikes the last 2 weeks in volume. Volume predicts price, and we have all-time high volume. So there's really good signs. Another good sign is the stochastic on the weekly is fully oversold and turning to head up. So there is a lot of bullish signals here. There's a lot of bullish signals here. And if you close your positions on November 11th, when I called the top at 67,000, 69,000, now, in my opinion, at the 35, we bought some at 35. I bought yesterday at 37. These are times to be adding to Bitcoin, especially after it went from almost 70K down to 33K, more than 50% drop. So it is looking bullish on that aspect. On the EMA ribbons, we're below the EMA ribbons on the weekly, quite below, lower than we've ever been for 2 years. And it's trying to get back in. Actually, it's the first time we've actually been below the EMA ribbons on the weekly charts for 2 years. This is the first time we've been below. So we are, at the moment, still in a bear trend. The VPVR, we have major support and resistance. There's major trading at 33,000 and 35,000. 35,000 is the strongest support. The second strongest support and resistance is 47,000. So right now, we're on a major area of strong support. The crypto guru bot is showing on the weekly, not showing on the weekly. I'll show on the daily. Let's zoom closer. Let's see some other things. Squeeze mob is showing that we're still going to the red side. It hasn't turned gray. That indicates the bottom is in on the weekly, like it did on the 19th of July. See how it went from red to gray? It hasn't happened here, so there could be more downside. That's on the squeeze mob. On the money flow index has bottomed and starting to head up. Money is starting to flow on the weekly back into Bitcoin. I have a feeling, though, on Bitcoin, we're getting a little bit played here. I feel like the market makers are playing us. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So this is on the daily candles. Each of these candles are 1 day. And on the 11th of November, I said to sell, and I got out of everything mainly into USDT. And we started a downtrend that took us from 69K all the way down to where we're sitting right now. Now, we haven't broken this white line, this downtrend that started on the 11th of November. It hasn't broken. And Bitcoin is right now about to test it. But what I still see here is a bear flag. So this is a pole, a flag, and a bear flag is usually a bearish indicator that drops more. And we had a similar formation. We had a pole, we had a flag, it went up, and then big drop. And it's doing the same again now. So that's something that we need to be a little bit concerned about. Big recovery, but still it's showing a bear flag and it hasn't broken the downtrend. Today or tomorrow, it's going to try. If it gets rejected off here, if it breaks through this white line, bounces and heads up, then we go extremely bullish for Bitcoin. But if it doesn't break through this downtrend that started on the 11th of November up here, if it doesn't break through this white line and fails here, we need to close all our Bitcoin positions because most likely it's going to get rejected and come down to the 30K. There is some bullish signs in the fact that we have all-time high volume. The volume kind of dropping off a little bit the last few days though, but still very high volume, and the stochastic is heading up. Let's check money flow index, and those squeeze mob going green, which is a good sign. Money flow index, money flowing back into Bitcoin on the daily candles. EMA ribbons, we are trying to go into the EMA ribbons. Today it's going to be testing the EMA ribbons. The crypto guru bot, it fired a sell back here, up here at 60, here at 64K, and it's still red. It's still showing a sell, so we haven't gotten out of the danger yet. Let's go closer on the 4-hourly. What's saying? On the 4-hourly, it seems we're topping here. It's playing in this bear flag. It's staying within this channel, and it seems to be, it found resistance here at the 38,500. And what's important now is either we break through and bounce and then retest and head up, or we get rejected here and it then creates the bear flag, which is very possible. On the 4-hourly, we are overbought now, so we've got to be a little bit careful. On the hourly, we came down a little bit and heading up. This does look like a small bottoming formation, but we don't have a double bottom. That's the thing. We're having higher lows each time. Higher low, higher low, higher low. The Bitcoin is climbing. We had a double top here, so this is now a triple top in a way, but it's not getting rejected. Here is a little bit dangerous, everyone. This is where we got to be a bit careful. Because here it can go either way, really. It can break above, retest, bounce, and head up with a lot of volume, and we get a bottom. The bottom is in, and we head up. Or we get rejected strongly here. We come retest, and it breaks this, and it forms the bear flag. So right now is a kind of very dangerous time in Bitcoin. The best scenario would be the best situation is sell everything. If it breaks above, retest and bounce, then go back in and we get a confirmation and sell everything right here. But the problem is if we sell everything and then it does break out, we could miss that little movement. But the danger of not selling is that if it gets rejected here and then drops down to the 30K, it's possible. So we've got to be a little bit careful here. I could close my long positions, my spot positions that I bought Bitcoin yesterday, making those gains. But let's get more information now. So that's Bitcoin. The main concern I have is this bear flag. Everything else is looking quite bullish, but I feel like we're in a trap for Bitcoin at the moment because everyone went bullish here now. Everyone's gone long, everyone's gone bullish, but we haven't broken this downtrend line, this white line that I've been talking about, that it's been on since November. See this white line? We haven't broken it yet. And it's forming a beautiful bear flag here, a bear wedge more like it. So it's trapped. I feel like we could be being trapped here. So we've got to be careful, in my opinion. Let's check out other charts to see what they're telling us, because we can look, when Bitcoin is making decisions like this, we can look at other charts to get more information. So on the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies, it's forming the same pattern. Look at this. It's a bearish wedge. Pole, wedge, drop down. Same on here on the total market cap of all cryptos, forming a bearish wedge. Let's go into the 4-hourly for the total all cryptocurrency. Same bearish wedge. I feel like Bitcoin is trapping a lot of people here, so I'm going to be a little bit careful. On the daily, we look good, but again, bearish wedge and a very similar pattern. Look at this same fractal that's playing out here. It played out here. Can you see the same fractal playing out? I think we're being trapped here before a big drop. I'm actually going to react off this and close my longs. I made a lot of gains yesterday. Stocks, I think stocks could have bottomed out on some of the stocks like NEO, because a gap up is a very bullish sign. Yesterday on the stock market, we had a huge rebound. Look at that rebound. For example, NEO, it went from $19 all the way up to $24. What a massive, almost 20% in the stock market, 20% on a stock. That's freaking huge. That was a gap up, and that could have bottomed out. Same on Tesla. We went up 10% on that bounce. And that's forming a giant bull flag on Tesla. I bought a lot of Tesla yesterday if you followed my live trades. Let's look at Ethereum, see what Ethereum is telling us. Are we getting trapped here? Ethereum also trying to get back in this wedge. Big bounce on Ethereum, trying to get back in this wedge. A lot of volume coming in, stochastic heading up. On the daily, it looks nice. Let's go into the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, it also kind of a triple bottom. It looks like a reverse head and shoulder with volume. So the bottom could be in actually on Ethereum as well. This is difficult to decide for me. In my opinion, we could be being trapped here, especially even on Ethereum. If we get rejected here, it's pretty possible that it does, because we're coming up to this resistance. But on Ethereum, it looks like it's got a bottom coming in with volume. So here is a time to be very careful, in my opinion. Let's check out another crypto, maybe that will give us more information. Let's look at CRV. Another cryptocurrency similar to Ethereum on a major support, forming also a reverse head and shoulders, also looking bullish. So Bitcoin here could be bullish based off these other technicals. The confirmation of bullish is if we break above here, retest at the 38,500 and bounce, then we go extremely bullish because it's finally broken this giant downtrend line for 2 years. I need to know what your opinions are. Everyone underneath this video, let me know what you think is going to happen to Bitcoin. And do you think the bottom is in and that this sign yesterday when we bought it had this big bounce is bullish, or do you think everyone is getting trapped? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now I'm going to show you my trades. I might not close my positions here based off this other information that we've now seen. So this is my my Instagram got back, everyone. We're getting everything back thanks to amazing community. Follow me on Instagram. I've got 5,000 people. You can follow my travels on here. James Crypto G is my new Instagram, my old Instagram. That's the new name, James Crypto G. My Instagram is back thanks to all of you, which is beautiful. This is some trades yesterday. I bought FTT crypto on the news of 400 million on Series C round, valuations of 36 billion. So I bought the crypto FTT, which is FTX. Current fully diluted market cap 15 billion. Joe Rogan is kind of like the Morpheus. This is underneath this video. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, on your phone under this video, smash up this thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Subscribe. Join my 68,000 plus subscribers by clicking this subscribe button on your phone. Join button if you want to see all my live trades that I make in crypto, in stocks, and if I sell Bitcoin, you'll get notified live. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, there's a Bitcoin trading Bybit link down below. This link, if you go down below on your phone, go down in the description and pin comment, click this link and sign up. You get a sign up bonus of $4,100 when you sign up to Bybit and you start depositing Bitcoin and trading on there. Once you sign up, go down there, click it, sign up. It opens Bybit, this trading company, and this is my main trading company that I use. In this account, we went up a little bit yesterday. I have $100,685 US real dollars, 2.6 Bitcoin. In this account, I bought 0.5 Bitcoin yesterday, up 3%. So I've got 1.5 Bitcoin now in this account. I bought one at 35 as well, 35,000. So I'm up quite a bit on this. So now I've got 1.5 Bitcoin. I'm starting to enter into Bitcoin. I've got 36,000 USD in here. I've got Caster up 7%, 1,200. I actually have more than $1 million of Caster. I've got no trades. I closed my short yesterday in the positive before this big run up. I actually spotted the big run up before it happened, which is beautiful. So I'm not going to make any trades here because it's a bit of a no man's land. What I will do is I might sell my Bitcoin if we get a strong rejection here. If we get rejected very strongly here, I might sell my Bitcoin because it could continue this downtrend like my path predicts. This is my path that I think Bitcoin is going to play out. So we all went extremely bullish and we caught this movement yesterday, this big movement in stocks and cryptos. We caught it. I made huge money yesterday. I think more, tens of thousands of dollars more, hundreds of thousands of dollars yesterday on that big movement, which is beautiful. But is this a trap that's trapping everyone? I want to know what you think in the comment section. Now let's go into the winner and choose $300 US winner. So yesterday, also on Twitter 1 hour ago, I asked, what do you think will happen for Bitcoin this week? Downtrend, 35% of people, 158 votes. Uptrend, 44% of people. So a lot of people thinking that we're going up. This is my Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. I have more than 17,000 followers on Twitter. We got the Twitter back. Thank you, all of you. This was me calling the exact top of Bitcoin on the 10th of November. You can check that out. And this is when I started buying everything yesterday. Something amazing happened to Bitcoin in the stock markets. When the stock market gapped up, I bought into it. So you can check that out. And I'm going to show you as well this tweet. I'm going to retweet it as well. This is the tweet yesterday where I asked you guys, if you comment and retweet this and comment on it, I'm going to choose a winner of $300 US. We had more than, how many people do this tweet? We had, how many? Oh, it's not showing. 1 second. We got 598 comments. 598 of you, 18,000 views on this tweet to get the Twitter back. Hi Twitter, the huge play to earn game Magicraft Twitter is down. It has a huge following, many people involved. Please fix ASAP. So now I'm going to pick a winner. All of you, thank you so much. Dom, Andres, Con, thank you. Twitter support. Come on, guys, you really need to fix this. Is our game. Thousands of followers. Thank you so much for all these tweets to get the Magicraft Twitter back. I'm going to pick the winner right now of 300 USD. Of the people that tweeted here, 300 USD. I'm going to pick a winner right now. So are you guys ready? Look at this, 598 people commented, which is amazing. Okay, I'm going to load a bunch of them and then I'm going to pick a winner. So ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nirhan, you are the winner. Nirhan, hey Twitter, a lot of people are dependent on Magicraft game project and the group page coming back, staying healthy. Please make this a priority. Nirhan, you have won 300 USDT. I'm going to private message you. If you can also DM me and make sure you're following me, you get $300 Nirhan. And thank you so much, everyone, all 598 of you that commented on this to get it back. It's so beautiful of you. So that's what I think about what's happening with Bitcoin. That's the danger signs that I'm seeing. I would love to know your opinion, what you think is going to happen. Do you think Bitcoin is playing us? Are we getting trapped here? Let me know in the comment section below. I will sell Bitcoin if we get rejected strongly here and it traps everyone. So I'm being very defensive. And now I'm going to get going. This is beautiful Amsterdam. Saying hello to you all from Amsterdam. It's such an amazing, amazing country. Thank you, everyone. Netherlands. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.